All right, so welcome. This is for paid plans of the Kindred Connection 360 Maternal Wellness Hub business membership. We have the Member Center, which is broken down in a different video. This video will cover your dashboard and the get verified process if that is something that you're interested in. So quickly, we've logged in, and when you log in, this is where you'll come. You'll also see the ability once you leave this dashboard to go back to the dashboard to view your active public file listing and to log out. So there are two ways that you can do that. You can do it from the top here, and then you can also do it from the account settings here and also here. So in your dashboard, we have your dashboard. We've got manage your listing, which means if you wanted to change your categories, obviously the paid plans have 5 and 10 category options depending on the level. You also have different types of content that you can post based on the plan, and it all is laid out for you here. For example, so you've got published content. As a Premier partner, you can do website blog articles, and you can post however, I think it's one a quarter, or I think it might be unlimited for now, where you can post blog content as your business, and you can also fully outline or fully kind of like format some really cool blog posts, including added imagery. So that's something that you can do for the website blogging. These are test blogs. This is kind of what you'll see, what you'll get. You can also see who's viewing your blogs, which is another great feature of the plan. So let's go back to our dashboard. And this is just, you can do the same things here outside of chat. The chat messaging profile statistics, that is something that our Premier partners have access to. They can just kind of see who's viewing profile and who's viewing posts. It does not go into clicks and all of that. That is kind of advanced, and we don't track those things, but you can at least see based on the month who's viewing your profile and who's viewing your posts. Chat messages. If you have someone that is chatting with you, you'll get an email notification. This is some feature that is Premier. You can get direct messages as a featured member, which is our middle tier, but you get actual direct chat access as a Premier level. You also get reviews with both paid levels as well, where people can review your business on here and you can respond to their reviews as well on here. Let's go back to our dashboard so you can see what other types of posts you have. So our post and need is covered kind of in the main dashboard, but you have the ability to post needs. Now the needs that you post are going to be needs for maternal health needs mostly, because these posted needs are completely for the community. We do not recommend that you post needs for business to business or agency level needs or backup doula needs. That needs to happen in our member center under our business community discussions, in which case you can pick growth and visibility is a place that you can do your needs posting. Connection and collaboration is another really good category that you can post, like agency, backup doula needs, and that sort of thing underneath here. But we don't recommend posting needs that's one doula asking another doula when we have the moms and other birthing individuals viewing those needs. That needs to be done in the forum on the back end. So let's go back to our dashboard. And you'll be able to post a photo gallery of your business. That is something that comes when you click on it. It'll tell you how many posts based on your plan you can feature for free. After you get through the 4 or 3 or however many you have, it'll be pay per post. And those business photo galleries are under member highlights. And this is where you'll be able to also, if you have a professionally done video, if you have a recap, if you have a YouTube interview that you want to feature, you can do all of those things here. Let's go back to our dashboard. And same with business videos and photos. Those are the same, video and photo features. You can do either or as a Premier member. This is not a feature for our middle tier. products. So you can post products as a premier, I believe, and also a feature. It just depends on how many product posts you have. I believe it's 5, and then it's like 2 for the middle tier, 2 or 3. But you can literally link external products that you sell, and you offer your clients externally. The product link will go here. We do not co-opt products. So the links need to work. The category, we don't really have categories for our posts, for our product posts. And we might add a few later, maybe digital, physical, like something super simple. But you can put your location. If it's a pickup where they can come get it from you in person, you put your information there, and then you just go into product descriptions, you save it. And when you go to your public listing, if you have a product, it will go in this additional tab. So when you go to your public listing, this is what everybody will see. You'll have your overview, you'll have your specialties, and this they can request information from any of the specialties that you have listed. And then blog articles, if you're writing blogs, if you have forums, if you have products here, if you have events, because events is another thing that you can post as a premier partner. Your entire history of how you are moving on the platform is going to be listed here. And it makes it very easy for people to find and know exactly what's happening with you at any given time. So that is how our dashboard works. The last piece I want to cover is to get verified. And to get verified, you have to be paid member. So it's going to show up in your dashboard for everybody. Everybody's going to see the get verified, but only paid members are eligible to have the verified badge listing. And this is where it is. And you basically we observe the process for how you treat your customers or clients. If you are established with a brick and mortar, like if you're a practitioner and you've done all of that, the process is a little bit faster because you already have a lot of licensing and things. But if you're new or newer, or you're just getting into the online space, we want to make sure we commit to lead response. We want to make sure that you support professional presence, liability insurance, client testimonials, or things that we require you to at least post one or two of them to your profile, and then your social proof. And then we also, once we evaluate your application, we give you a verified listings badge, and then you go into the verified listings list that will be viewable to our birthing individuals and other community members. And it is also publicly viewable in search engines. So that is how that works. That is how the Get Verified piece works. This is your member center. You will see all of the things here that you have access to. This is what the moms and birthing individuals have access to, this section here. And then once you log in, these top 4 is what you as a business member have access to. And that's covered in a different video. So that is basically the kind of the post login welcome video to our hub. And hopefully you have everything you need to run your business here and to manage your listings. This is a QR code you can share. Any transactions that you have, including your membership transactions, will be listed here. And then you can change your password, billing information, and everything on the dashboard as well. And this is your billing information, manage account, change password. We have a credit system, which we'll go into in another video, and an email sequence for you. But this is pretty much how that works. So welcome. Again, welcome.